Hi students, Joseph here. So what we're doing now is we're going to look at using travel and transport using the internet. So by now you should have done the task on time zones and we should understand what time zones mean. This picture on this page just shows you an illustration of um, Great Britain in the centre, Greenwich Mean Time, at the prime meridian point as they call it, and going in the one direction towards the west. With Greenland, Iceland, Greenland and America, you go back in time, so it's noon in the UK, it's 11 a.m, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going right the way back to Alaska. And then the other way, going east into Europe and Asia, that time goes ahead, 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, if it's noon in the UK, as you can see. Right, but now we're going to use a few websites. So I thought I'd make this a very quick guide. Right, so you need to click the link in your OneNote. You'll find links, which I'll show you at the end. But you need to open your OneNote, go into Handouts, and in Handouts you'll find something called Travel and Transport. And there'll be a link, and as the instruction says, click the link onto freemaptools.com. You'll get something that looks like this, and it'll say here, click here to load the map. So when you go in, scroll down a little bit and click to load the map, you'll get that looks like this. So you've got your map there. You can type any city in the top there where it says search for location, it will show you the city. You can use the mouse wheel to scroll in and out, zoom in and out. If you click the little man, the little yellow man, drag and let go on a destination, it will give you a view as if you were standing there. And what I want you to do is I want you to click Birmingham and then click a place you visited. It could be a place you went on holiday, a city, a town, or maybe your hometown. It could be the country you lived in. You need to know quite a lot about the place that you're going to click on. So don't pick somewhere that you've only been once and you don't know a lot about. It has to be somewhere that you have been a few times and you would be able to write about, because that's what we're going to do a bit later. So as it says, use these tools to choose 2 points or type a city in the box above and click and link the two cities together. This will measure their distance. The first question you've got to answer on the OneNote is how far away. It could be your hometown, that makes most sense. So how far away is the place you were born in from Birmingham? That one's a good one to start with. If you click the wrong place, don't worry. If you look down here where it says clear last, it can clear the points that you've clicked already, or clear map. Okay, so that's the next thing you're going to do. And then you're going to fill in the distance in miles, how far away your hometown, your original hometown, is from your new hometown, Birmingham. Next, you're going to open up the link to Google Maps, which is the next link on the OneNote, and you're going to type Birmingham to whatever that place is, your chosen city or town. And then you're going to choose the aeroplane icon in the blue, as you can see on this picture, and it should give you the time it's going to take to fly there if you were to fly home. Then you're going to click on the blue link which says see results on Google Maps and find the cheapest flight as if you were leaving this Saturday. What would be the cheapest flight? You'll then press print screen and put the evidence in of that, and then you'll type what the cheapest flight is and what time would you arrive. What time would it be when you left Birmingham and what time would it be when you arrived? I've picked New York for an example. Right, there are other questions you're going to do. So fill in all the questions on the OneNote. As you can see here on the right hand side are the first few questions I've just talked about. So choose a place that you visited or lived in, preferably your hometown. Then go to the website, which was the first one I showed you, Free Map Tools. As you see, you got to type in the place where it says bold place, and you got to type in distance, how many miles is it. And then you're going to click on the Google Maps and you're going to follow the instruction as I've just told you. Then you're going to click in the flight time. So how long would the flight take? 10 hours, 5 hours? Then you're going to click on the blue link below where it says see Google Maps, and you're going to press print screen, which is next to F12 on your keyboards, and you're going to click below where it says there, now click on the blue thing. Yep. You're going to hold Control and V to paste in the screenshot of the flight times and the money, how much it costs. Then you're going to type below on number 5 the cost, and number 6, which you can't quite see on there, you're going to put the arrival time and the departure time, which are over on the left now. Question 7 involves you writing about this place. So there's some questions there to help you. What country is it in? What's the weather like? But I want you to write between 75 and 100 words, where it says right below there, about your hometown or about the place that you visited a lot, as if it's a travel guide. So you're going to write it as if you're trying to tell people what it'd be like to be there, giving them some advice. Once you've done that, together we will watch a video of a travel guide to New York. Okay, that's all. Good luck.